What if the location data sitting in your monthly report could simply be looked at on a map, instead of being read, cross-referenced, and explained all over again every single reporting cycle? In this video, we'll show you how to turn a static report into a fully interactive map visualization using MAPOG. Go to story.mapog.com and open the Create and Publish Map section. Click on Create New Map, then select with Template and choose Store Mapper. This template is built for mapping multiple locations with clustering, which keeps the map readable even when outlets sit close together on the map. Enter a title and a brief description for your map. Then click Create Map. Once the map interface opens, go to Map Settings, upload your logo and save your changes. Now let's get the report data onto the map. Click on Add Location, then select Upload CSV. Before uploading the file, go to Business Location Template Settings and click New Type. Give the template a name, set the geometry to point, and add attributes that match your report's columns, locality as address, phone number as a number, and so on. Mark fields as required where needed, and enable contributor access if your team needs to update entries directly. Click Create Type to save. Select your new template, upload your CSV file, and set a unique ID or choose Auto-Generate. Match each attribute to its corresponding column, assign your latitude and longitude fields, and click Submit. Every location from your report now appears on the map at once. Now this is where the report actually becomes a visualization. Open Create New Style and choose the Category option. Select Performance Status as your attribute and assign customized icons for each category. For custom icons, click Upload and import the image you want to use as the icon. For this example, a green upward arrow for above target outlets and a red downward arrow for below target ones. Adjust icon size and overlap settings, then click Save Style. Your custom icons are now visible on the map. Add a legend using Show Legend so viewers instantly understand what each color represents. Then select Display Properties in the settings and select which attributes should appear automatically for every location, so the details that matter most are visible right away without requiring anyone to click into each point individually. You can also go into each location individually using Edit Business Location Details to add a description, upload images, and update business hours, so every marker becomes a complete profile instead of just a dot on a map. After your locations are styled, go to Label feature, choose the attribute you want displayed as a label, and adjust the font to match your map style. Once everything looks right, go to Preview and Share. Choose whether to keep the map private or make it publicly accessible. Share it through a direct link, embed it on a website or dashboard, or invite collaborators using Add User and assign them the right access roles. A well-built interactive map can do more for your team than a static report ever could. Whether you're tracking outlet performance or field data, the insights that actually drive decisions usually comes down to how that data is being presented. If you need any help with adding or uploading data, performing map analysis, creating map stories, or map or GIS consultancy, feel free to contact us at support@mapog.com anytime.